Oh, hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be diving into the DJI Power 1000, a powerhouse portable power station that promises to keep all your gadgets, drones, and robots charged and ready to go. But the real question is, can it handle everything in here? So let's put it to the test, shall we? Alright, so what's inside this compact little box? Well, it comes with two AC outputs, two USB-A ports, and two USB-C ports. It also features solar panel ports as well as much more, enough to charge multiple devices at the same time. That's right, two devices at 140 watts each. Power overload? Not here. This thing's got plenty to go around. It also weighs at roughly around 28.6 pounds, as well as a DJI Power SDC fast charging function for your DJI drones. Alright G1, let's see how much juice you have left. Looks like you're down to 1 bar. Ooh, perfect, just what I was expecting. Alright, let's go ahead and plug you into the DJI Power 1000 and see what happens. Now that he's charging, let's go and charge the booster's battery as well. So now that they're charging, let's talk a little bit more about the DJI Power 1000. Now this features 1024 watts of power, and it's no slouch when it comes to output either, delivering 2200 watts with a peak output of 4400 watts. If that sounds like a lot, well, that's because it actually is. And now in terms of unboxing, it was super simple. It comes with all the accessories that you need, and setup was more or less easy for the most part. It was also nice that they sent us both the carrying case as well as the dongle to check out. Now in terms of the carrying case, it's not just your typical one. Traditionally speaking, they're used just to go and cover and carry about. But this one here actually has zippers built into it, so you have access to all your ports without having to physically remove it. Definitely well recommended if you do have this. Now let's talk about the real magic, aka what they call the power ecosystem. Now it features drone fast charge, which supports fast charging for Mavic series, Air 3 series, etc. and supports DC output for car appliances as well as DC input for car charging and solar charging. It has a capability of expansion including the DJI Power Expansion battery of 2000, up to 3072 to 11,264 watts of flexible expansion options. In terms of the remote control capability, just use the DJI Power dongle. You can go to connect to it via the app. Okay, so it looks like our booster is finally done. So we'll go and disconnect that. And let's put it in. And you, robot dog, you've been looking a little low on energy too. Let's plug you in and get you back to full speed. So the 70-minute fast recharge feature means that you're not actually waiting around all day. Fast, efficient, and perfect for when you're in a hurry or if you're a robot that just doesn't like to sit idle. So what advantages does this compare to other models that are identical? Well, it features a higher output, 25% higher output to be exact. Stable output of 2200 watts and a stable output of 2600 watts for 30 seconds, which is great for consistency. Alright, so it looks like our robot dog is finally ready. Alright, and he's fully charged. Oh, alright, so yeah, he's definitely fully charged. Look at this guy. So now let's talk about the features. The DJI Power 1000 isn't just about charging your robots. It can be used to power multiple devices, from TVs, fridges, even your workout machines. It's got solar panel ports, a bi-directional port to go ahead and charge for your car appliances or solar charging, and even the option to expand with the DJI Power Expansion Battery 2000. There's something called UPS mode, which is 12 to 20 millisecond power switching. So if the power does happen to go out, it'll automatically switch almost seamlessly. So this was great for fish tanks, routers, computers, refrigerators. The moment the power does go out, those will go ahead and turn right on using this. Okay, looks like G1 is ready to go ahead and turn on too. All right. So why do I like this? Well, I've tested plenty of power stations in the past, and this one definitely stands out because it features consistent power, which is very important for me. So as you know, that when it comes to using these and plugging multiple devices, the power band will go ahead and fluctuate, but this is actually consistently at 2,200 watts. Now in terms of charging goes, it's both fast and very quiet. These things are usually super duper loud when it comes to charging, but surprisingly, this here is just roughly around 20 decibels, making it really convenient. Alright, well the DJI Power 1000 makes it easy to keep everything running without a hitch. Whether you're charging your devices, robots, or just need a reliable power source for your next adventure. So of course no product is perfect, and well, with the DJI Power 1000 I have to say my only complaint was the fact that when it came out of the box it wasn't updated with the latest firmware. When I originally plugged in the dongle, I thought there was something wrong with it as it wouldn't power on. I kept trying different ways of kind of moving it around, switching between different ports, but after some research I found out that the particular DJI Power 1000 needs to be updated to the latest firmware. And in order to do that, you need to have a laptop or a computer as well as a USB cord to go ahead and plug it directly into this. And there's a little bit of a trick. You gotta plug it into the second port and then also hold both this button and this button at the same time to go ahead and put it into a load mode, which I would have to say is a bit of an obstacle if you're not necessarily tech savvy. Other than that, my only complaint would be the fact that I only have one of them. I wish I had more, as I'm only limited to the 2 AC outputs. So there you guys have it. The DJI Power 1000 is a serious contender for anyone who needs a reliable, fast charging for their tech. Whether that's drones, robots, or just your everyday gadgets. It's quiet, efficient, and gets the job done. So let me know in the comments, what would you power with a DJI Power 1000? A robot army? Your next camping trip? Whatever it is, this power station has your back.